Are you aware of the fact that your bones play a very important role in the proper functioning of your body? And do you give the importance that it deserves? Let's see what we can learn how to make your bones very strong. And do you know that after the age of 30, your bones starts becoming weak and there's a risk of osteoporosis, that is your bones getting weaker, and the chances of fracture increases after the age of 30. Why does it happens? Because the absorption of calcium in our bones are less after the age of 30. So the bones become weak, and also the sedentary lifestyle, and of course our food habits, if you don't take proper food which are rich in calcium. But even if you take proper calcium through foods, the absorption rate decreases. So you have to do something which absorbs the calciums. And in this video, I'm going to show you a technique, a yogic technique, which helps you to absorb the calcium in your body. First, we'll understand why it is important. That will encourage you to do it consistently. The bones play a very important role in the body. First, it protects the organs. It gives proper structure to our body. It stores calcium and it anchors the muscles. And as the age goes by, especially after 30, it becomes weaker and weaker. The bones become weaker and weaker. So it is all the more necessary to do something about it which protects or which restores the bone strength. So the yogic technique which I'm going to share you today is called as Aakash Mudra. The main benefit of this mudra is to strengthen the bones. The other benefits are, the main benefits is to strengthen the bones, but there are other benefits also. That it is helpful in heart diseases. It reduces toothache. It reduces ear pain, and it reduces the annoyance. If you get annoyed easily, then it reduces the annoyance level in you. It makes you more calmer. So these are the benefits, and almost everybody can do it. If you have a special health condition, do message me in the comments or personally that whether you can do it or not, and I will guide you accordingly. But most of the people can do it. This is Mayuresh Pawar, certified yoga teacher, stress management specialist, mentor, and a meditator since 18 plus years. So let's start. We are going to learn Aakash Mudra. Okay? It's very simple process. The benefits I have shared with you. So what needs to be done? You have to join the tip of the middle finger with the tip of the thumb. Tip of the middle finger join the tip of the thumb. Other three fingers are straight. And keep on your thighs or knees, whatever is comfortable. And the spine needs to be erect. The shoulders needs to be back. Chin tucked in parallel to the ground. The palms are facing the ceiling. Keep only the spine erect, neck erect. Other parts of the body are consciously relaxed. Relax consciously other parts of the body. Keep only the spine and neck erect. You have to hold the mudra and take deep, long, slow breaths in and out. Holding the mudra, the attention is on the breath. And keep taking deep, long, slow breaths in and out. Initially, you have to take 10 to 15 breaths. If you are starting for the first time, doing it for the first time, for a few weeks, you do it for 10 to 15 breaths, deep, long, slow breaths in and out. Then, after a few weeks, you can increase the number of breaths to 20 to 25 breaths. And after few months, you can increase it to 30 to 35 breaths. But the breath should be very deep, long, slow, and you have to hold the mudra. And after you finish the number of breaths, you have to switch to normal breaths. But you have to hold the mudra. And take normal breaths, 10 to 15 normal breaths. After taking 10 to 15 normal breaths, then you have to, if you feel like meditating, meditate, but release the mudra. And meditate if you want, if you feel like. And whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel like opening the eyes, first become aware of the body. Then become aware of the surroundings. And whenever you feel complete, slowly and gently, taking your own time, with a smile, you may open the eyes. So that's it. This mudra is. I have given the benefits. I have given who can do it and who cannot do it. Most of people can do it. If you have special health condition, you can message me and ask whether you can do it or not. But most of the people can do it. Then I have showed you the techniques, how exactly to be done, how exactly you have to come out of the situation, out of the mudra, and then how long you have to do it. Okay? Complete process I have given you from beginning to end. Still, if you have any doubts, you can message in the comment box, or you can message me personally also, whatever is comfortable to you. And I would also like to invite you for my free workshops. The details are given in the message, so you can read it and join my yogic fitness or meditation sessions and stress management sessions or the personal sessions, whatever is comfortable you. The details are in the message. And that's it from this video. In this video, I hope you found this useful. If you did, then give a like, thumbs up, love symbol, and mention in the comment box what was your learning from this video, what exactly, because I have given you along with the bone strength. The main benefit is to bone strength, right? But the other benefits are also there, which I have stated in this video. And that's it from my side in this video. I hope you liked it. Till we meet again in the next video. This is Mayuresh Pawar signing off. Take good care of yourself and keep smiling. Bye-bye.